Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Pavoni espresso machine after making tune-up, replacing all these gaskets and replace the pressure gauge, sighting glass, the cover of it, and tightening the boiler with the base. It was like there is moved. Then when I went to tighten it, I realized like I have to take off the heating element. Then when you take the heating element, you have to replace the gasket on it. So that's what I did. Let's go ahead and make espresso shot on it and see if it works well or not. Let me just like release some. Okay. This is perfect. Okay. This is really perfect shot. Look how great is it with a thick crema. So let's test the steamer. That's perfect too. So it's functioning great. Thank you for watching.